Welcome to the River Thames. Today we're going to talk about Botox. In simple, should you go ahead and get Botox done? And if you do, what are the consequences? Keep watching. So, do not get any Botox done until you watch the rest of this video. I'm going to tell you what Botox is, what are the side effects, and how to get the best out of it. So, Botox is a toxin produced by a special type of bacteria. And before it was discovered in the 1980s as a cosmetic agent, it actually caused many accidental deaths in people. It's an extremely lethal toxin. In very small amounts, it can cause death. What this toxin does, it causes paralysis of the muscle. So whichever muscle it's injected to, that muscle becomes paralyzed. And this is why it's useful in treating wrinkles. Now, when Botox gets made for human use to treat wrinkles and fine lines, what they do is they dilute, because the toxin is very, very powerful, it's diluted. It's diluted many times over to make sure it's safe to use. So you can immediately see if you buy Botox from the internet, from websites that you don't know nothing about, the question is, have they made it properly? Have they diluted it enough not to be toxic? So this is why you should always only get Botox done from a certified surgeon or clinician who is experienced in administering Botox to people. Provided you get your Botox done by a professional, there should rarely be any side effects. You might get some irritation immediately post the surgery, but apart from that, it's perfectly safe. Sometimes, especially for people who have the Botox injected to treat crow's feet just around the eyes, you might get some drooping of the eyelids for a few days after the operation, but that usually passes and the eyes go back to normal. So my advice is always get Botox done by a certified, qualified professional, not at Botox parties where there's a nice lady called Sue who's got an injection full of Botox. She might be a nice lady, but probably she doesn't know anything about how to do it or how to do it safely. So always go to a professional and get it done there. And the best way to check whether your professional is qualified and has good background in doing this is, first of all, check the professional is registered, whether it's a doctor or dermatologist or other types of professional. Make sure they're registered. You can go online and check if they're a medic or a nurse. Check with the relevant website, see if they're registered. That's the first thing to do. And then go on their website or other independent websites and check the reviews they have from people who've had the procedures done from before. I tend not to go on the website of the actual person doing the procedure, because obviously they're going to publish all the favorable reviews. So I tend to go to consumer websites, review websites that are, a mix of people who've had good service and people who've had bad service, and kind of get an overall vibe of the feedback people have about that particular person. Anyway, that's the end of my video. I hope you find it useful. I hope you have a safe journey in terms of your Botox experience, and it works out for you. Take care. Bye.